Ever wonder how AI can truly understand videos? Not just identifying a cat on a couch, but following a narrative, tracking actions, or predicting what happens next. That's the frontier of AI research. And today, we're diving into a breakthrough that's redefining how machines process dynamic visual data. Let's start with the challenge. Videos are inherently complex. They're 3D scenes with motion, sound, and context shifting every frame. Traditional AI models struggle here, like a student trying to answer a test question without reading the full passage. But researchers are now teaching AI to think through videos, not just glance at them. The key innovation. A 2-round control loop. Imagine a detective checking clues twice. First, the AI generates a rough answer using a base model, like a first draft. Then it refines this answer through chain-of-thought reasoning, breaking the problem into logical steps. It's like asking, wait, did I miss something? Let me recheck the clues. But here's where it gets smarter. The system uses key frame selection, focusing on the most critical moments in a video. Think of it as highlighting pivotal scenes in a movie, not just scanning every frame. This reduces noise and lets the AI concentrate on what matters. Now the real magic happens with a feedback mechanism. The AI evaluates its own work, identifying inconsistencies, like a sudden shift in focus or a confusing detail. It then revisits the video, zooms in on tricky parts, or cross-references clues. It's like a study group where everyone double-checks each other's work. Let's talk about the results. By combining these techniques, accuracy jumps by up to 10%, outperforming even top-tier models. But this isn't just about speed, it's about precision. The system adapts in real time, avoiding errors that traditional models might miss. It's AI learning to think more like humans, by questioning, refining, and revisiting clues. So why does this matter? Imagine medical diagnostics, where AI spots subtle changes in video scans, or robotics that make split-second decisions in dynamic environments. The future of AI isn't just about processing data. It's about understanding it, step by step, like a detective solving a mystery. Stay curious, and we'll keep exploring the next big breakthroughs in AI. Let's break down the specifics of CyberV, a system that revolutionizes video understanding. At its core, CyberV uses a feedback loop akin to a self-correcting robot. It operates through 3 components: a sensor that monitors the model's intermediate steps, a controller that decides when to tweak its approach, and an MLLM inference system that runs multiple strategies. This is where best of n, BON, comes in. By generating 8 possible answers, n equals 8, and selecting the best, CyberV balances accuracy and efficiency. Too few paths and the model misses details, too many and it gets bogged down. The sweet spot? 8 paths, which maximize performance on benchmarks like MV Bench. But here's the twist. CyberV leverages attention mechanisms to focus on the right parts of the video. Think of it as a student highlighting key paragraphs in a textbook. Surprisingly, focusing on the final layers of the model's processing yielded the best results, even though adding more layers only slightly improved accuracy. It's a trade-off between complexity and performance. Take this example. An AI had to count cartoon pillows next to blue lightsabers in a Beat Saber clip. It initially guessed C, but the correct answer was D. Why? It miscounted the pillows. CyberV's method fixed this by selecting key moments from the video. Another test asked, what's missing from the fridge? The AI thought the answer was hamburger but got tripped up by noisy frames. CyberV corrected this by focusing on the clearest moments, proving that context matters as much as raw data. This isn't just a technical win, it's a paradigm shift. By combining feedback loops, attention mechanisms, and strategic reasoning, CyberV shows that AI can now tackle video understanding with the nuance of human cognition. The next time you watch a video, remember, behind the scenes, AI is working harder than ever to see the story. Stay curious, and we'll keep exploring the next big breakthroughs in AI.